Getting money, what you think? Laughing my way to the Getting my way, what you? I'm getting money, what you think? I'm laughing my way to the bank. Don't even get in my way. I'm getting money, what you think? I'm getting money, what you think? I'm laughing my way to the bank. Don't even get in my way. I'm getting money, what you think? I'm getting money and I'm back on the road. I probably just made 100 from a show. Can't let my family starve, I'm taking the load. I smash her and then I pass it to my bros. Enemies wanna come back to the team. They say we put in the work to get on the scene. I've been with your bro, she said that she's local. Why they surprised? I told them not to sleep. Don't even step in the ring. Up in the club, they tryna get it for free. They mad cause I'm in the lead. How could you hate when I'm just paving the way? Lately been out of my mind and so out of line. I'm getting harder to trace, saying that I wouldn't last. My foot on the gas, living life without a break. And I'm just counting the streets, I get it with ease. I'm letting you know, yeah, we be smoking that stank. It got me in space, we out of control, yeah. Ain't no one dragging me down, nothing can stop me from getting it all. I was so focused on getting the start, I ended up cutting everyone off, yeah. I'm getting money, what you think? I'm laughing my way to the bank. Don't even get in my way. I'm getting money, what you think? I'm getting money, what you think? I'm laughing my way to the bank. Don't even get in my way. I'm getting money, what you think? I'd be wrong if I said that I didn't know that I got the city sold up. And I got a couple bad bitches on the side with me, wanna see what's good. Kinda hard cause my life's sped up. I don't wanna send them back to the hood. You know I ain't showing no love for the ones that never showed up. But what did you think? That I let you in to mess up my dreams, just look at my wrist. Diamonds all over them links. Trying so hard not to blink, don't want me to win. They want me to quit, trying to buy my mama crib. They trying to be friends again, and fuck with your plans. Mad cause my life just got lit, yeah. I swear I see through the lies, they came for me twice. I don't trust you back on the ship. Never put nothing above, you know I'm the plug. Who else could you look to the wind? Why would I fuck with you now? When I hit you up, you wouldn't respond to the kid. Bottles all up in the club, I'm living my life, no longer putting up with shit. Just trying to get out my dreams and be with my team. You out of my league, yeah, not dealing with minimal.